Good morning, welcome to day 244 of marathon training. It's actually marathon day. Let's go do the Hobart Marathon. I didn't know there'd be so many hills on this race. To be fair, I did not study the route before we started. Whew. Definitely unfit. We'll do it, guys. We might be last, but we'll do it. I pretty much just set personal record for a 10k. Shouldn't have done that. It's a marathon, not a 10k. I hope I'm not gassed. My feet are killing me though. This is the point where it's the middle half and it's a slog. Can't wait. Right, so I'm halfway. I realise I've got to do this lap 2 more times. Pretty soaked from this rain. Anyway, I might just get in under 6. That's the plan. Let's get going. So I've readjusted my strategy, and that is to walk up the hills and to run on flat and downhill. Should get me there in time. Good news, the pain in my feet is gone. Mainly because they're soaking wet and ice cold and I can't feel them. Bad news, my left knee is... swear word. So this is gonna be fun to try and make the time. I'm not quitting. How many of these did I say I do this year? 6. Ambitious much? Oh. Alrighty, 8k's to go. My left knee feels like it's blowing out. My toes are numb, I can't feel my feet. Breathing's pretty good. Anyway, let's get it done. Oh, and the chaser bike is yeah, boy. Behind me. 6k to go, an hour and 5 minutes to do it in. I don't know if I can run anymore though, so I'm trying to like quick walking. Anyway, pretty sure I am the last. There's no one around me. What did I say before? It's mind over body. My body really hurting. My mind says you're not giving up. You have a chance to beat your personal best. Even if you hobble it through, you're gonna do it, Dave. 2.5k to go. Let's do this. I'm back on the part of the course where I'm allowed to be back on the road, so that's better. Spoaches have been back on the footpath. Marathon. Thanks, brother. Second marathon complete. Personal best. I'm actually stoked. I got less than 6 hours. So half an hour quicker than my first marathon. Amazing. So let's have some final thoughts in the rain. And with that, let's call this the end of day 244 of marathon training. Marathon 2 in the bag. Next one coming up is in about 8 weeks time, and it's Brisbane. See how we go. I feel pretty good now, I'm finished, but whew. All right, catch you all in the next one, and for proof, there's the medal. See ya.